In this video, I want to show you how to fold the seats completely flat and also to tumble them on your Suzuki Grand Vitara. So let's get started. First step, you're going to come over here, and on each side of the seat you have this latch that you need to pull to unlock the backrest. The backrest will fall down, and now we can actually fold the chair, the seats even more in the upright position. To do that, you have to go on the back. It's easier if you go in the trunk. So we are in the trunk, and you're gonna notice these small loops. Pull on this loop and the seat will unlatch itself, and by pushing it, it will stay upright. Do the same thing on the other side. You can do it from the trunk, by the way, like that. And the seats will stay up, and now you have a much better height to put larger items like a mini fridge, even some bikes. Without disassembling them, you're gonna have a lot of space. When time comes to put everything back, well, you just have to slam everything in place. So if I come here, you see it's staying locked, and again using this latch, and you can adjust the backrest. You have now put back your seat in place. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, but also comment down below. Tell me it was useful. Leave a like, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.